Sophie's eyes widen as she gazes at the mesmerizing marble figure, feeling an inexplicable connection. Sophie gasps as the marble statue transforms into a living, breathing girl named Lyra, stepping out of the stone with vitality and grace. Lyra's eyes meet Sophie's, and together they embark on a whirlwind adventure that defies all logic and reason. Chaos erupts as people jostle each other, trying to catch a glimpse of the extraordinary event taking place before their very eyes. Lyra and Sophie steal a moment of calm in the midst of chaos, finally able to bask in the beauty and tranquility of nature. The sudden storm takes them by surprise, their peaceful sanctuary disrupted by the fury of nature. The rain pours down relentlessly, threatening to end Lyra's borrowed life as her features slowly start to stiffen. Sophie embraces Lyra, her own body shivering from the rain, but her heart filled with determination to protect her newfound friend. As the storm clears, the park transforms into a breathtaking oasis. The air is silent and the world seems to hold its breath, capturing the fragile beauty of this fleeting moment. In that final moment together, Lyra and Sophie's connection deepens, understanding that their time has come to an end. The world is once again left with the stillness of the marble sculpture, the memory of Lyra's vibrant presence lingering. Sophie's steps are slow and measured as she leaves behind the enchanted park, forever carrying with her the lesson that life's beauty can be found in even the most unexpected encounters.